name is Irene. I am from San Fernando, Cádiz, in the south of Spain, and I am studying law in the University of Split. I choose Split because it reminds me of my home city, because it's close to the sea, and I love working around. My favorite events here in Split was the karaoke night, the sunsets in the beach with the other Erasmus students, meet a lot of people, have fun always, study a lot, and it's fun.
I am Nicolas. I come from France, in Strasbourg. I study industrial engineering in Split, and I choose Split first because I have family here, but also mainly because of the weather. My favorite place, I think I would say the river. I really enjoy being on the river, also on the surrounding of Marian Park. I did trip to Zagreb, Montenegro, Dubrovnik, and I really can't choose one that I preferred because I really loved all. There is so much to see in Croatia. Definitely recommend Split because there is nice weather, the people are very nice and welcoming, the city is beautiful, there is a lot of things to see and to do. It's cheaper than most of European countries, so for students it's very good. There is a lot of people to help, so everything will go well, and just come here and enjoy.